A pleasant day to all employers in Hong Kong. First, allow me to introduce myself. I am Mady Baltasar. I'm 43 years of age, single, from Camantiles, Ordaneta City, Pangasinan, Philippines. My height is 150 cm and my weight is 48 kilograms. My educational attainment was college undergraduate taking up Bachelor of Science in Commerce, major in Management. My previous work experience abroad first was in Kuwait way back 2015 to 2016. My duties and responsibilities includes taking care of my employer's special daughter was 35 years old at that time, cooking her meals every day, feeding, bathing, changing her diaper, changing her clothes, and cleaning her room. I also worked in Saudi Arabia for 3 years and 4 months, year 2017 to 2021. My duties and responsibilities includes taking care of 89 years of age old woman. I give her medicine every day, feeding, bathing, changing her diaper, monitoring vital signs, ensuring hygiene, seeking medical attention if necessary, providing comfort and emotional support. I do also cleaning, laundry, and ironing. Cooking is not part of my duties as my madam prepared to cook for her family. I also work in Saudi Arabia for year 2022 to 2025. I've served 5 members of the family, 2 adults, 1 newborn, 1 10 months, and 1 4 years old at that time. My main duties and responsibilities mainly includes taking care of the kids, cooking and preparing their meals every day, feeding, bathing, playing. We played indoor and outdoor playgrounds. I also teach them counting numbers, how identifying colors and shapes, and animals. We do also coloring books and also teach them how to sing nursery rhymes. I do also household chores like vacuuming, mopping the floor, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, and ironing. I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money and to help better support for my family. Before this video ends, I want to sing a song titled See You Later, Alligator. See you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile. Give a hug, ladybug, blow a kiss, jellyfish. See you soon, big baboon, out the door, dinosaur. Take care, polar bear, wave goodbye, butterfly. Hope you like the song. To my future employer, please hire me as your domestic servant because I'm hardworking, loyal, patient, honest, responsible, and trustworthy. And I promise to do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible. God bless, Mom and Sir.